Okay guys, let's look at this tricky item. In the last portion we just looking from outside. Now it's a little closer looking. You see those three guys? Those three items right here, sorry about that. One here, and there are other two 120-degree each. Those are springs. Maybe this is a later model, but these springs are used to keep the three little keys engaged. So when you remove the little keys, mark the position, the direction, very important. And when you are sliding this, and the phase, I'm sorry, of this guy with that guy. I know maybe it's not relevant, but I did it in any way. So take a look. Mark the phase within the inner and the outer ring. I don't care. Now, I'm taking the synchronizer off. I just slide it and slide the outside parts off like that. The three springs are inside here. Seems like then they are pretty clean. I'm gonna remove it using a magnet or a hooking tool. Try to not lose it. There we go. You can see one of them right there. Right there. R3 like that. Two. Sorry about that. Two. And this is number 3. All right. They are located inside these 3 holes. And as you can see, the shaft is marked as a color coded for the spring: white, blue, green, and also a blue-green mark here for phasing the outside gear. And I did it the same way, blue and green and everything else. That's as far than I can go. Probably the next challenge will be, sorry about that, to remove this. Then is the inside inner race for the bearing. It's probably a tight interference fit. I'm gonna have to heat them up and try to slide in it, apply some pressure here with a long puller. For now, that's good enough. Okay, thank you.